Now, as far as franchises are concerned, now Jamin Leather is going to franchise, and we will look forward to making some deals with some people in the very near future. And we want to make sure that you might be one of them. If you're interested in franchising, getting a Jamin Leather in your town, neighborhood, your resort town, whatever the case may be, we want to make sure that you have an opportunity with Jamin Leather right there, that brand right there. So we also carry a lot of products that no one else does. Now, what's unique about Jamin Leather is not just the product that we sell, the collection that we sell, the brand is very unique. There's stuff that we make. Only Jamin Leather has it available, so you can see all the unique items that we offer in our catalog. We have leather jackets that we not only design ourselves, we have made for us and are made with our specifications that you want to check out. And you'll see a lot of really, really neat stuff. You see some ombre jackets. You saw even the blazers are Jamin Leather original styles, so you got to check those out too. But there's a lot of interesting things that are only available at Jamin Leather. So not only the collection of products that we carry, which is usually a lot of good classic styles. You got blazers and jean jackets and motorcycle jackets, but we have some fashion styles as well that are great for the guys and the girls. We have lambskin, we have cowhide, we have buffalo, we have a lot of different versions of leather as well. The accessories that we carry are unique as well to Jamin Leather. So Jamin Leather is not only a brand, but it's also a collection of merchandise that you can only find at a Jamin Leather store or online at shop.jaminleather.com. So that would be the main difference between us and everybody else. So you want to make sure you check out what we have. You want to make sure that you have the quality that you expect and also the backing of a company that really knows the business. So call us experts. I guarantee we are, for sure.